Day 43. Number 1. Which scenario can best... a spelling error. That's going to bother me. Let's see. Which scenario can be best represented by the equation y equals 100x plus 500? Well, since the slope is the number that's with x, so I know that 100 is going to be changing with the variable, or at least is attached to the variable, and sometimes the thing that does constantly change. 500 is our constant, so this number shouldn't change, but it is in addition to whatever this value is. Alright, so let's see. A, the profit made by selling X products at $100 each. So that means every time, that is also misspelled. These should be changed. Not that it matters to you, but it's just bothering me. The profit made by selling X products at $100 each after selling 500 products. Okay, so profit made by selling X products at $100 each. So 100 is attached to the variable, or the thing that changes, after selling $500. But this is talking about money. So if this is about money, then this should be $500 if it relates to this, and it doesn't. So it wouldn't be that one. The loan balance after $100 down payment, so that is the constant, and a monthly payment of $500 for X months. So that's the part that's changing. So it couldn't be that one. The volume of water in a 500-gallon tank, so that's let's see. That's the end amount. After X minutes, if the initial volume is 100 gallons. Well, that means the 100 gallons is a constant, so it can't be that. The amount of savings in a savings account with an initial deposit of 500, so that's the initial, which is constant, and a monthly deposit of 100 for X months. So the 100 changes with every month, or however many months you have. So it would have to be that one. Number 2, Mathman is riding his bike to the movie theater. His distance in miles from the theater after T minutes. So miles is important, and then the minutes is the other. Can be described by this function. Which of the following is true? Okay, so just from the function itself, I know the 0.2, or no, the negative 0.2, because he's getting closer and closer, so the distance gets smaller and smaller. The 0.2 is what's changing every minute that goes by. So let's see. Mathman is riding his bike at a rate of 0.2 miles per hour. Hey, yeah, because that's what's changing. Mathman is riding his bike at a rate of 9 miles per hour. No, that's how far he had initially, and it's going to get smaller as time goes on, so it can't be that one. When he started, Mathman was 0.2 miles from the theater. That doesn't make any sense, because then it... No. When he started, Mathman was 9 miles from the theater. That is true, because he starts 9 miles from the theater. Let's see. So there are 2 answers to this one.